Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by locking in prerequisites. Verify your account, runes, and basic settings are consistent. This reduces friction mid-game. Once done, set Smart Cast and Quick Buy so your actions are muscle memory, not decision stalls. Choose 3 flexible champions you know deeply, because mastering 1 or 2 roles speeds learning. Rotate them in warm-up normals to establish reliable combos. Make sure to practice their typical Aram item paths, and engage timings before queuing for the climb. Once in match, focus on wave control and poke instead of random fights. You gain small HP advantages that snowball. Communicate succinctly with pings and a single-line voice cue to commit or peel. This prevents overlap and wasted cooldowns. Build reactively. Buy defensive items when facing heavy burst and offensive penetration against tanks. Swap boots timing to match map tempo. You should constantly assess HP relic timing and reset aggression windows based on those spawns. To finish Aram God runs, convert small advantages into objective trades. Force turret damage, then isolate an enemy with coordinated crowd control to secure kills. Use zoning, stand where relics and choke points funnel opponents, to win fights with fewer resources. If things go wrong, pause and review a short replay. Identify whether mistakes were mechanical or macro so you can practice the specific deficit. One key troubleshooting tip. If you repeatedly die early, temporarily switch to safer.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.